Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I'm Rowena. Today I'm going to share another traditional Manglorean Nativity special dish, Pathrode. The Manglorean Catholic community celebrates the Feast of Nativity in a unique and traditional way, marking it as a harvest festival. Different regions within Manglorean Catholic community have their own food traditions. For instance, Pathrode and fish curry is prepared in Udupi and Kundapur regions. I am going to share with you two different types of recipes prepared by Catholic community. So the first method that I am going to share with you is by applying the masala on the Colocasia leaf and then rolling it, steaming it and then adding it to the curry. And the second method, which I will be showing you in my next video, by preparing steamed cakes and then adding it to the curry. Also, there are two types of leaves that I will be using. So here you can see this is the taro leaf, or in Konkani we call it terepan. So this is another variety of Colocasia leaf that is called marakesu in Kannada. In Konkani we call it ruka alu, or in Tulu they call it maratevu. I have kept all the ingredients ready, so let's look into the ingredients and let's get started. We'll start preparing the batter to spread on the leaves. I had soaked 2 cups of parboiled rice. You can also use raw rice. I am adding 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of peppercorn, a small bit of turmeric and some tamarind. Then I will add 10 red chilies. I am adding a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming videos. Don't forget to add salt while grinding. Now let's prepare the leaves. These are rare and special variety leaves that grow on trees, tastier than other varieties, that don't cause any irritation like the usual variety. Using a sharp knife, remove the thick veins, which helps to fold the leaf easily and also helps in neutralizing the ingredient that causes irritation or itching while eating. Please find the complete details about these leaves and how you can take care of itching or irritation that is caused by some variety of leaves in the description box. Apply a thin layer of the batter on the leaves and place the leaves one over the other and just fold it as I am showing it in the video. 5 to 7 leaves are good enough to prepare one roll. In this recipe you can prepare around 6 to 7 rolls depending upon the size of the leaves. Once you finish making the roll, steam these rolls for around 30 minutes and then let it rest till it completely cools. This is a basic version of preparing pathrode. There are different recipes using different types of batter to spread on the leaves. If you are done with steaming, you can simply slice them, apply some coconut oil and have it, or you can even prepare upkari, or you can even fry it using rava. Here in this recipe we are going to add these rolls in the curry. Now let's prepare the masala for curry. I am using my grandmother's tawa to fry these ingredients. It's a bit old, but I love to use it in my cooking. Colocasia and taro leaves generate a lot of body heat, so I am using ghee while frying or preparing the ingredients for the masala. I just fried 15 red chilies with 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now I am frying the other ingredients. 1.5 tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. I just added half inch of cinnamon and 1 clove. The cinnamon and clove can be optional. Next, in the same pan again I will add 2 teaspoons of ghee and fry 2 onions. Since Colocasia and taro leaves generate a lot of body heat, I am using ghee throughout my recipe. Once the onions turns transparent, I am adding 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and then the coconut. So here I have used 1 big coconut, or you can also use 3 cups of coconut. So see that the coconut is beautifully browned. Next I am adding 4 to 5 sprigs of curry leaves, which gives an amazing flavor to this dish. So we are done. Since the tawa is small, I am frying the coconut in 2 batches. To this I am adding half lemon size of tamarind, a spoon of turmeric powder, and grind all the ingredients to a smooth paste. In my next video, I'll be sharing you another recipe of preparing Pathrode like steam cakes. So you can use the same masala for the curry. You can use different types of rice for preparing Pathrode: raw rice, parboiled rice or boiled rice. If you use raw rice, the rolls turn out a bit harder. Parboiled rice gives a medium texture, while boiled rice makes the rolls soft and very tasty. While preparing the leaves for Pathrode, if you come across any kind of itching or irritation, just squeeze some tamarind and apply it on your hand. It will be reduced. Now the rolls are cooled. Let's slice them into equal sizes. Let's give a final touch to this dish. So let's start with the tempering. I just added 2 teaspoons of ghee. Next I am adding 2 onions. Fry it till golden brown. You can add salt for taste. It helps in frying the onions faster. Now you can see the onions are turned golden brown. I added 2 sprigs of curry leaves. I'll add the masala that I just prepared. So just check for the consistency. It should be a medium thick consistency. Wait for one boil and add the rolls. So handle the rolls very gently as they may break. Just swirl the vessel and cook for 1 or 2 minutes and off the flame. However, on reheating, these rolls break and get mixed up with the curry, but they are so delicious on reheating again and again. Thank you so much friends for watching this video.